Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be telling you about an organic vegetable which we grow in our garden, and I'll tell you how you can take care of it. I'm pretty sure you know by now what we are going to talk about. Yes, it is nothing else but brinjal. This brinjal plant is planted in our 12-inch pot. There are other brinjal plants which are planted in 8-inch or even 10-inch pots. Like these plants are planted in 8 or 10 inches pot. We had planted this plant from seeds, and this took around 40 days only to grow. There is one problem with most of your brinjal plants that most of you have faced, which is insect attack. Aphids, mealybugs are some insects that are surely gonna attack your brinjal plant. That's why you have to check your leaves top and bottom part every day. Because if you find your insect attack early, then you'll be able to save your plant before the problem is much bigger than it usually was. Now in the video, as you can see, my mom is cutting off some leaves. As you know, we usually tell in our videos to cut off all the dead, damaged leaves. She is also removing the leaves which may be touching the soil. That's why to make our plant more bushy and healthy, my mom cuts off the lower leaves of the plants always. And in most of the days, my mom also showers the plants. As you can see, she is cleaning the downer part of the leaves as well as the upper parts of the leaves and is showering the plant as well. Because do you know, while my mom was washing these plants, my mom noticed a very big problem, which was that in this plant the aphid attack has been too much. So she had no other option but to cut off the entire stem. But don't worry, the plant grew up healthy after that. And do you know, after that we started getting lots of brinjals from that plant. She also tries to shower the plant sometimes with turmeric, neem oil, and even sometimes with Bioenzymes. So if you also want to get brinjals like this in your garden, then make sure to follow these simple steps. Oh, and one more thing, when my mom prepares the soil for this plant, she uses vermicompost, kitchen waste compost, etc. And after this, she does not prefer any kind of solid fertilizer, only liquid fertilizers. And just like that, we get an organic, chemical-free brinjal from our garden for free. Bye bye.